Frigidaire Dishwasher error code 199 is an indication of a control board error, which can be frustrating and disrupt your daily routine. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. First, understand that the control board is the brain of your dishwasher, responsible for regulating various functions such as temperature, water level, and cycle selection. When the control board malfunctions, it can cause a range of problems, including error code 199. To troubleshoot this error, start by checking the user manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions, as different models may have varying procedures. Next, ensure that the dishwasher is properly installed, level, and plugged into a grounded outlet. Check the wiring and connections between the control board and other components, such as the door switch, water inlet valve, and heating element. Verify that all connections are secure and not damaged. If you find any loose or damaged wires, repair or replace them as needed. If the issue persists, try resetting the control board by unplugging the dishwasher from the power outlet, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This can sometimes resolve minor glitches and restore normal operation. In some cases, the control board may need to be replaced. Before attempting any repairs, ensure you have the necessary skills and knowledge, or consider hiring a professional appliance technician. When purchasing a replacement control board, make sure it is compatible with your specific Frigidaire dishwasher model. To prevent future control board errors, regularly clean and maintain your dishwasher. Check for software updates, and avoid overloading the dishwasher, as this can put excessive stress on the control board. By following these steps and taking proactive measures, you can resolve Frigidaire Dishwasher error code 199 and enjoy reliable and efficient dishwasher performance.